See, it's broken.
That's right, Mama.
Broken.
That's right. My,
Hmm?
it's right. I-O-T-P-I-N-C.
Daddy.
Butter, ding, ding, dum. Ding, ding, dum. Mommy,
Good afternoon, guys.
put it in.
You can't put the battery na. Kenapa may battery atong camera?
It's for the camera.
Yes, that's right. Guys, happy Sunday. It is currently 2 o'clock ng hapon, guys. And we are going out. Where are we going, Nak? Where are we going? It's very warm outside, guys. It's currently 30 degrees. Mahangin nga lang siya at walang araw. Sir, I'm not sure if makakapag-vlog tayo sa labas kapag ganitong mahangin, guys. Kasi hindi nyo naririnig yung boses ko. But, we are going. Where's Daddy na? Shh! Where's Daddy? Si Daddy Mike pala, guys, wala dito. Si Daddy Mike kasi tumakbo siya papuntang beach kaninang umaga, guys. And you know what? It is, I think, 17 or 18 kilometers, guys, yung tinakbo ni Daddy Mike. Oh my God. Si Daddy Mike talaga, very determined yan siya, guys, na bumalik ulit yung katawan niya kasi he gained a lot of weight dahil sa lockdown, ito ganyan, medyo stress. Ganyan kasi yan siya, guys, kapag na-stress, nag-gain siya ng weight. So, he's there now, kakatawag lang niya, and then sabi niya na maybe hindi na lang kami pupunta ng beach because it's very windy. Nung tinawagan niya kami, nag-FaceTime kami, nandun siya sa beach, and sobrang dilim, guys. Ayan, lalabas na ang ating baby girl, Oopsie Daisy. Oopsie Daisy. Very warm talaga, guys. Grabe. Pero yun na nga, wala man si Mr. Sun. Yeah, maybe Santa put candies. Tingnan niyo siya, guys. O, ang kanyang dress ay very short na. She's growing na talaga. What is it, Nat? Nothing? Nothing?
No.
Okay, let's go. We're going to see Daddy.
No,
Yeah. So guys, makita ko lang sa inyo yung outfit natin for today. So itong dress natin from Shein. Ayan, kasi bagay na bagay ito ngayon, guys, sa weather. Very warm. So ayan yung suot natin, and then yung ating bag lang. Thank you, Baba. Ayun, thank you, kiss to mommy. So sweet man na itong baby girl. Ayan. And then, ganyan lang tayo, guys. And also, hindi pala tayo nag-makeup today, guys. Oh, bare face talaga yan, guys. Bahala na si Batman. More? More? Ayan, namitas na ng bulaklak. Thank you, baby girl. Thank you so much, my love. Gusto yun si Mama, babe. I love you. I got some more. Come on na, let's go. Because we're gonna go see Daddy. Come on. Dito na kami, guys. Ayan yung dagat, guys. Oh. Itong batang iri, naghanap naman ng ice cream. Yeah. Okay, chocolate. This way. Yeah, there. Daddy's there. Oh my God, have a look at Daddy Mike, guys. Seriously, sobrang layo ng tinakbo niya. Ice cream? Ay, dali.
Very tired.
Guys, close pala yung cafe na yun, so we have to go somewhere else.
Sorry. Can't wait.
You tired, Daddy?
Very tired.
How long did it take you?
2 hours.
2 hours run. Oh my god. Guys, I was still in bed and Daddy was already running. Where is Paris going? No, we have to tell Tita and Tito.
I buy ice cream.
And what flavor would you like?
I chocolate.
Dito na kami guys. 7 minutes away from kung asan kami kanina. Ice cream.
Oh.
Drove people.
Ayan, kamasad.
That is half stubby. That is half stubby.
What are you having, honey?
That is half stubby.
Is that rainbow? Rainbow? Show mommy bit. Yummy, yummy. Have you been a good girl? So, 5:30 ng hapon and kakapark lang namin dito sa labas ng bahay. Hinihintay ko lang ang ating baby girl kasi andyan o nakatulog. And, you know what guys? I'm going to show you something. It makes me so super sad talaga guys. Tingnan nyo ang nangyari sa iPad ni Paris. Ayan. It's broken na guys. Dinadala kasi namin tong iPad sa sasakyan kasi si Paris kapag naboboard siya sa sasakyan, medyo malayo yung biyahe, nanonood siya nito. And then kanina, nung pasakay na si Daddy Mike dito sa sasakyan, tinanong ko siya kung nasaan yung iPad. Sabi niya, ano daw, 1% na lang daw yung battery. So nilagay niya dun sa baba kung saan siya nakaupo. And then now, nung lumabas siya guys, kasi papasok na siya ng bahay. Ngayon lang namin nakita guys. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, na-open talaga siya guys. Na-crack talaga siyang open ganyan. I think like Daddy Mike step on it na hindi niya namalayan. Kasi sabi niya, hindi daw niya napansin na parang may apakan daw siya. Paris will be really sad guys. Tingnan nyo. Alam nyo, bagong-bago pa to guys. Hindi pa to siya nag-isang taon. Ilang months pa lang to. And it's broken na. I don't know how much it cost to fix this one. Pupunta siguro ako ng Apple dito malapit sa amin, Apple Store. Pa-check natin kasi baka I don't know if it's cheaper guys kapag hindi pa siya nag 1 year, so under warranty or something pa. I don't know how it works guys kasi yung mga phone ko maingat talaga ako sa mga bagay ko guys. Pero ano na yan ngayon? Buak na gyud oh. Sayang nga ani oy. Maghilak gyud ang atong bata dani unya. Pag nakita niya tong broken. Wa na. Bye-bye guys na. Bye-bye iPad na. Oh, wow. It's very frustrating guys. Kaya nga si Daddy Mike kanina sabi niya hindi ko talaga napansin. Anyways, what can you do, right? It's broken. And yeah, you can't turn back time. Hindi na may babalik. Kaya yeah. Oh well, let's just see if we can get it fixed guys. Anyways, apart from that guys, it's very windy outside. Sobrang windy talaga. Sa labas sana ako mag-film kasi baka magising ko si Paris pag nagsalita ako dito sa loob ng sasakyan. Pero I'm pretty sure hindi niyo ako maririnig kapag nasa labas ako kasi sobrang mahangin talaga. And si Paris, hindi naman siya nagising ko kasi maganda yung tulog niya. Himbing na himbing siya. Pasok lang namin dito sa bahay and I'll show this to Paris and see kung ano yung magiging reaction niya. Anak, umiiyak pa kasi kakagising lang. Nakabalo ka your iPad, oh. It's broken. Come, have a look. Come. You can't play with your iPad anymore. It's broken.
Wind.
The wind? Yeah? You think the wind broke it? See, it's broken.
It's right.
What are we gonna do?
Go right, Mommy.
Huh?
It's right. That's right, Mama.
Huh?
That's really funny.
Broken.
That's right. Mommy,
Hmm?
it's right. A wind over here.
Oh, it's the wind. Guys, sinasabi niya na wind kasi nung nandun kami bumibili ng ice cream kanina, yung restaurant na katapat noon, meron silang, ang tawag dito, yung glass wine nila ba? The wind blew it away. So, nabasag siya. Tapos si Paris, she was very worried. Sabi niya, what are we gonna do, mommy? The glass is broken.
The apple's broken too.
Oh, the iPad is broken too.
Huh?
Huh? Are you sad?
Yes. I can see the face the apple too.
Oh, Tito fixed the iPad?
Yes, it's right there.
Sinasabi niya na Tito fix the iPad kasi kanina yung glasses guys gusto niyang i-fix tapos sabi namin na si Tito will come and fix the glass. Kaya ngayon sinasabi niya na Tito will fix the iPad too. Oh no. I'm very sad.
I'm sad too, Mommy.
You are too?
Let's get to fix.
Oh yeah, let's get Tito to fix it, yeah? Because we can't watch the bedtime story here.
It's very broken.
Hmm?
It's very broken.
Yeah, it's broken, so we can't watch the Gruffalo and the Caterpillar. What are we gonna do?
I'm to fix.
Tito fix, but it will take a while before Tito can fix it.
It's gas. In the glass.
Yeah,
In the glass.
the glass,
On the iPad too.
the iPad too. Yeah, Tito will fix the glass and the iPad too. But what we're gonna do? It's gonna take a while before he can fix this one. What do you wanna do?
We want the white. The white.
Yeah, don't touch it, okay? Because there's a broken glass. It might hurt you.
Finger.
Yeah, it might hurt your finger.
Put some bandage.
Oh, put some bandage.
Hurt my brow.
Oh, do you want to sing the song?
I-O-T-P-I-N-C.
Daddy.
Butter, ding, ding, dum, ding, ding, dum.
Daddy is so sleep. Guys, kinanta niya kasi yung daddy ay natutulog dyan. O, sabi niya, let's sing the song, mommy. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Daddy Mike. Ang kanyang daddy Mike ay feeling tired. Kung iisipin niyo naman, guys, it's 18 kilometers tinakbo niya. Oh my Lord. Very determined talaga tong tao na to. O yan, himbing na to. What is it, anak? What would you like? You want the bag? Do you want the bag?
On the pizza.
Okay, careful.
I'm
The
gonna
iPad is broken, my love.
go watch.
Huh?
Go watch Buffalo, Mommy.
Yeah, we can't watch Gruffalo because it's broken.
The titular the glass. Gonna get hurt.
Yeah, don't touch the glass because you'll get hurt. If you want to watch the Gruffalo, we can use a TV instead.
This is a clean one.
Hmm?
That's a clean. It's not broken anymore.
Yeah, the TV is not broken.
The iPad is broken.
Yes, the iPad is broken, the TV is not. Yes?
Okay, you must go for here.
That's right. Do you want to watch the Gruffalo now?
Yes.
Yes,
It's
please.
a clean one.
Say yes, please,
That's
mommy.
a clean.
That's right. You say yes, please, mommy.
Missy, sit down.
Yeah, you sit down. You have a look at your... See, don't touch, okay? Because it's broken screen.
Huh?
Yes.
I'm going to where have a glass.
Have to get fixed.
This.
Mm.
See?
See, it's broken.
Fish. You sit down.
Sit down, fish. Sit lang yung fish.
I can sit on you.
Yeah.
Be sit on you.
Make sure you don't touch the screen. Make sure you don't touch the screen. Guys, maghahang pa ako ng damit sa likuran. Ay, nak, do you wanna go with mommy na?
Yes.
Come on, let's go in the backyard. Oh, hang the clothes.
No.
Hi ulit, guys. Hala, feel ko ba? Parang oily ako sa side na to. Kakatapos ko lang kasi maghugas ng mga, guys, mga plato and everything sa kusina. And that's why I'm sweating, guys. Just cleaning the floor and all as well. But, ang ating baby girl, ayan, oh. Remember, pinick up namin yan kahapon na, high chair. Oh, ang ating baby girl ay kumakain na. Oh, good girl, anak. And then, ang ating Daddy Mike ay nagluluto. See, Daddy Mike is making burger. So, ayan. So, hindi ko papakita sa Daddy Mike, guys, kasi naka-underwear. Also pala, guys, yung mga laruan ni Paris, minove ko dyan. Yung mga laruan na dun sa side na yun ba. Kasi, sometime this week or next week, we will set up our Christmas tree. And yung Christmas tree, guys, gusto kong ilagay dito na side. Ayan. Tapos yung kanang plant na tapos yung plant na yan, guys, gusto kong ilagay doon. Kaya, I moved it. So, ayun. Doon muna malaruan yan. What's wrong? Go, you okay now? It's cooked, guys. Tingnan nyo ang luto ni Daddy Mike. Where's your bread? No bread?
No bread.
Ah, oh. Oo nga naman pala. There you go. Beef, bacon, spinach, egg, and pineapple. Yeah. And here's mine. Tingnan nyo ang gawa ni Daddy Mike for me. Thank you, Daddy. Ang ating doctor, guys, sine-check ang kanyang bear. My fever, si baby mo na?
Yes.
Yes. Are you gonna give... What's that? Medicine. Anyways, guys, late na pala siya. It's, I don't know what time it is now. Oh, it's already 10 o'clock. And, yeah, i-end na natin yung vlog dito. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na panonood ng ating mga videos. And also sa mga bago nating mga subscribers, welcome sa ating channel. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung mga videos natin. And now, I'm just going to do a quick shout out, guys, para makapaghilamos na si atin nyo. Kasi parang, pwede nang magprito sa mukha ko. Shout out to Clarice Torres. Shout out to Chari Salazar. And also to Alexa and Eileen Suganov in Iloilo. And also shout out din daw to Solis and Robanti family. And Salazar and Duares family. Shout out to Lina Livares from Valenzuela City. Christine Namayan. Luz Tiongson. Marde Pido from Dipolog City. Shout out to Ophelia Alcaide from Zamboanga City. Shout out to Carlota Pedro. Cici Karen 1925. Norberta Nuno. Lynn Ahmad. Vicky Inot. Lisan Bansil. LV Real from New Jersey, USA. Shout out to Lovely Ann Texon. Cynthia Granadil. And shout out to Jancy Pinay, Australia, Morena Dusil, and Edeline Manosa. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be part of this family.
This is me.
And hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye.
flying kiss to him. Mwah. Bye, guys. Mwah. Close na. Here.